The Miyazaki factory was the first factory in the world to start producing pure white ceramic gauge blocks. Production began in-house in 1942 for testing measuring equipment. And now approximately 70% of Mitutoyo's measuring equipment is tested using gauge blocks. The raw materials are put into a mold and pressed to form a rectangular parallelepiped. We control and process flatness and parallelism so that the same value is obtained no matter where on the gauge block is measured. When lapped, the surface becomes mirror-like and is polished to such a high degree of precision that the gauge blocks stick to each other. Normal gauge block inspection involves comparative measurements with a master gauge block. A measurement room is installed underground where there is little temperature change. We maintain constant temperature, humidity, atmospheric pressure, and CO2 concentration, and inspect gauge blocks of the highest grade, K class. Inspections are performed using light wave interference measurement using laser light. Cylinder gauges are actually produced at this Miyazaki factory as well. Here, complex-shaped parts are continuously processed automatically using CNC lathes and automatic feeding machines. Production is carried out with stable quality. This is the process of assembling it as a cylinder gauge. Temperature and humidity are controlled, and everything from assembly to inspection and packaging is carried out. All finished products undergo precision inspection, visual inspection, and operational testing to ensure comprehensive quality assurance. The NAKATSUGAWA factory specializes in the production of indicators. It is the world's largest specialized factory for dial gauges. This is the process for machining the gears, often referred to as the heart of mechanical dial gauges. We take pride in producing indicators with a focus on precision, considering them a step above clock gears. In the turning process, we machine screws, gears, and spindles from rod-shaped materials. We measure the accuracy of the processed parts using our own measuring instruments. The characteristic of press processing at the NAKATSUGAWA factory is its ability to handle small batch production. The automated pinion machining line incorporates the most advanced technology in gear machining. The outside frame painting process protects and decorates the product surface. A feature of UV painting is that it can create a thinner and more durable layer than conventional paints. This multitasking machine processes the frame of the digimatic indicator. Here is the assembly line for dial gauges. We are sequentially assembling parts on the blue pallets, and the process is automated to assemble each part automatically. This line is semi-automatic and semi-manual. Only processes that cannot be automated, such as needle height adjustment, are done manually by hand. In this way, Mitutoyo continues to evolve on a daily basis through the development of cutting-edge technology, automated equipment, and the technical capabilities of its people. Shaping the future of manufacturing through precision measurements, we will create a factory where Mitutoyo's data utilization never stops.